Guys, it's John from Slots, Iowa. I know I'm not wearing my normal shirt today, but the Packers are playing the Broncos, and so go Pack Go. I actually am a shareholder, not that it means much, but I do have a share in the Green Bay Packers, so that's kind of neat. Hey, today we're going to continue our series on casino myths, and so casino myth number 7 is placement of slot machines. Now, you may have heard that slot machines always place the the casinos always place the slot machines closer to the entrance, so people can see people playing them, and they're making a lot of noise, and they're hitting all the time. And while I suppose a casino can adjust the payback percentage on a machine, any machine, once they're placed, they don't change them, and so it's not like they say, okay, let's put this new Huff and Puff machine near the front entrance, and we're going to set that at 96% payback, and then and then a couple weeks from there, we're going to move it over to this part of the floor, but we're going to change it to 88% payback. They just don't do that because it takes too much. They have to have somebody from the gaming commission come out, either stand by with them or have them on FaceTime or whatever it is they use, so that they can see that it's that the machine's being changed, the payback percentage being changed, and then it has to be taped by the casinos so they can show that it hasn't been tampered with the next time they open it up. So there's just a lot that goes into it. And one thing to think about this year coming up, when they're supposedly changing the jackpot limit to $2,000 from $1,200 to $2,000 when you get a hand pay, and they have to come out and give you a tax form and all that. Think about them having to go into each individual machine in that casino. And one of the casinos that I go to, which is Isle Casino 1 Waterloo, they have over 800 games. That's a lot of time. It probably takes 10 to 15 minutes each time they go into that to change the chip, because they have to change the playback percentage on the older machines especially. And I know on the newer ones they can do it through software, but it's just a lot of time. So casinos don't go around willy-nilly and changing the payback percentage on machines. It just doesn't happen. A lot of times, and I think we talked about this before, a lot of these machines are owned by the manufacturers. They're owned by Aristocrat, or they're owned by Light & Wonder, or whoever it is. And they're set at the factory according to where they're going to, and they never get changed. The casino doesn't change it. The casino doesn't own the machines, the companies do. So they set them for a certain payback percentage, and then the casinos just get a percentage off of the money that goes into those machines a month. So no, it doesn't happen. They don't change it. They can't change it remotely. They can't change it from a computer in the back room. They just can't do it. So it's a myth that they place these machines in certain areas of the casino and they adjust those payback percentages according to where they're at. It just doesn't happen. So that's casino myth number 7. Hey, I hope you're having a great day. I don't know about you, but here in Iowa it's -7, cold, cold, cold. And tomorrow I'm planning on going to the Casino Queen in Marquette, one of the last 3 river boats in Iowa. I've got $125 in free play there, thanks to Casino Marquette for that. And I'm going to go there, and it's going to be, starting off, it's going to be Link Monday, where they either play Dragon Link or something else, and you'll be able to see that video when I put it up. So I hope you're having a great day. Remember, I'm rooting for you, and I hope you'll win all the time at the casino. But if you don't, remember, bet according to how much you can lose, and just understand that every time you walk in that door, you're not going to win money. So, hey, have a great day. I'll see you later.